Access to high-speed broadband internet is widespread in urban areas across America, but not all regions are as fortunate as those with fiber networks. Many rural areas in the United States face a significant lack of high-speed communication infrastructure, leading to limited opportunities for these communities. Our infrastructure lags behind the demand for high-speed internet, making our broadband 4G per 5G LTE Cradelpoint products and the dependable Verizon network crucial. These are essential to bridge communication gaps and provide equal opportunities for those underserved by local cable companies. Rural areas can now participate in a growing online job market that requires high-speed connectivity. According to Pew Research, internet use over time. When Pew Research Center began systematically tracking Americans' internet usage in early 2000, about half of all adults were already online. Today, 95% of U.S. adults say they use the internet. According to the FCC, reliable and affordable high-speed internet connectivity, or electronic connectivity, is fundamental for economic activity throughout the U.S. Access to high-speed internet is vital for a diverse set of industries, including agricultural production, manufacturing, mining, and forestry, and acts as a catalyst for rural prosperity by enabling efficient, modern communications between rural American households, schools, and healthcare centers as well as markets and customers around the world. Unfortunately, 22.3% of Americans in rural areas and 27.7% of Americans in tribal lands lack coverage from fixed terrestrial 25/3 Mbps broadband, as compared to only 1.5% of Americans in urban areas, according to a recent report by the Federal Communications Commission. Beyond the essential rural requirement for broadband communications, an increasing number of individuals are now engaging in remote work from various locations on the move. Some work remotely out of necessity, while others do so as a lifestyle choice. At Digital Navigator, we strive to help those in rural areas who have no access to broadband internet speeds. Our goal is to give the same abilities and job opportunities to rural Americans that urban Americans receive, the ability to acquire an education and the ability to work in a position that requires high-speed internet access. We install and support 4G per 5G Cradelpoint LTE products. We conform to all NDAA standards of manufacturing and production. Our ruggedized flagship case products, the MaxSpac 1900, MesoApp 900, and the MiniPack 600 are all assembled in Texas. We also design and install custom curated networks for business and home internet services. Our L950 and E300 are great devices to gain access to the internet, combined with a Wi-Fi router, and you can access the internet and distribute the signal throughout your home. Cradelpoint modem and routers are secure and reliable. Have the peace of mind that comes from reliable, high-performance connectivity through wireless solutions with integrated security. Thousands of enterprises count on cloud-managed routers and adapters for WWAN and private cellular networks every day. They are versatile and scalable. With the broadest range of use cases and solutions, Cradelpoint offers the flexibility to embrace new ways of doing business anywhere, and to always put your best network forward. We provide scalability suited to fast-moving business transformation. Simple and sophisticated, cellular broadband goes up immediately and with ease, especially with zero-touch deployment through Cradelpoint's plug-and-play solutions. And with Cradelpoint NetCloud, real-time network visibility and control are at your fingertips. For organizations that have critical employees working outside the office, providing high-performance connections to the internet or crucial applications without compromising security is vital. Using advanced cellular wireless and cloud-based management, Digital Navigator's small office/home office (SOHO) solutions deliver enterprise-class connectivity plus security to help mission-critical employees remain productive and protected outside the office. Instead of depending on solutions that rely on uneven levels of household networking equipment, Cradelpoint offers a secure, dedicated wireless connection that is fully isolated from the user's uncontrollable home network. Provide dedicated connectivity. Provide remote workers a highly available, dedicated wireless WAN connection that avoids resource competition with other household devices. Cradelpoint's enterprise-grade SOHO routers enable company-controlled access to the internet, corporate networks, and applications. reduce risk and minimize the attack surface. Cradelpoint's Net Cloud service for SOHO and wireless edge routers offer policy-based, enterprise-class security that scales to any size of remote work network. Strengthen the security posture with corporate VPN, secure split tunneling, threat management, content filtering, and application firewall. Centrally manage at scale. NetCloud Manager simplifies the management of thousands of employees' remote working equipment from any location, often with no to limited incremental staff. Build and enforce consistent policies, plus use dashboards to monitor network health, security status, data usage, billing trends, and more. Deploy with zero-touch install. Rapidly deploy without home site visits or truck rolls. Provide day one connectivity with pre-configured policies and security plus pre-inserted SIMs. SOHO routers securely power on to automatically connect and install. Control the user experience. Use application-aware and wireless-optimized SD-WAN functionality in NetCloud service for SOHO to set policies and optimize path selection based on critical criteria or by application. Use intelligent traffic steering across LTE WAN or hybrid networks for a consistent user experience. Isolate work devices. Segment and isolate work devices, computers, printers, and more from household networks and devices. A separate, dedicated WWAN network ensures high performance for key applications and provides a natural layer of asset and information protection. With Digital Navigator and Cradelpoint, you can take remote work to a new, more secure era than ever before. Digital Navigator provides security and reliable bandwidth to mission-critical companies who depend on dedicated connectivity. We understand that one size does not fit all when it comes to reliable networking and IT services. We are here to help you navigate through the next wave of computing on the edge and redefine remote work.